Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. In the last class I discussed about the IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes. Now I will discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of ketone. Some common name also we discuss. Okay. Now, in the last class I gave one example, that is CHO, here phenyl. For this IUPAC name is, this is the first one, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Second position phenyl group is there. Thus it is called 2-phenyl. Total 4 carbons are there. Then it is called butane diol. Because here carbon number is counted. When carbon number is counted, that is Al suffix name we have to add. When you are not counting the aldehyde carbon, that thing is known as a carboaldehyde. So now it is called butane diol. But in the last class I gave this is a 2-phenyl butane 1,4-diol. This is wrong. This is the correct one. Reason, already I told you that always aldehyde are terminal. When they are terminal, their number no need to write here. That's why this is the wrong. This is a mistake. This is the correct one that you have to observe. When terminal is there, aldehyde local position you are not indicated here. When you are indicating, when it is benzene like this, phthalate like this, when they are not counted, aldehyde carbon when not counted, that means their positions are indicated. Then this is what is it? Benzene 1,2-dicarboaldehyde. This is the difference you have to observe. When their number counted, that time it is not indicated in their position. When not counted this carbon, that time their numbers are indicated. Located indicated. This is the main difference. Now, I will discuss about the ketones. IUPAC name. Next, common name. Now, ketones, their IUPAC name and common name. Just I will recall what are the rules. Find out the longest carbon chain, give the least number to the keto group. If substituent also is there, the substituent also gets the least number, that is better. Next, for example, basic ketone, CH3, C double bond O, this is a basic ketone. With 2 carbon, 1 carbon, there is no ketone possible, only aldehydes are possible. Now, 1, 2, 3 carbons are there, numbering we can give right to left to right also, there is no problem, it is the same. It is called propane, remove E, add O, propanone. Here number is not indicated here, second position, because any one side you can give the number is same also, you can calculate propanone. Common name, this is called acetone, historical common name. Otherwise, another common name we call dimethyl ketone. Acetone or dimethyl ketone. Next, increase one carbon now. CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH. Total 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now numbering. When you are taking left to right, you get the third position. Right to left, you get the second position. That's what is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the correct number. Now it is called total 4 carbon. That's what it is butane 2O. Butane 2O. Common name. Now, for common name of ketones, dialkyl ketone. But when alkyl groups are different, we have to use the alphabetical order. This side methyl is, this side ethyl is. E first, then M. Therefore, its common name is ethyl methyl ketone. Next, in this one more carbon. Here there is no isomer possible. If you write C double bond here, name will be same. CH will shift here, this will shift here, name will be same. There is no change. There is no chain also possible here. That's why it is as it is going. I am increasing one more carbon, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Numbering right to left, that is correct because keto is second position. Left to right, you get the name 1, 2, 3, 4th position. So second position is correct. That's why it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbon. Then it is called pentane. Remove E and write the position of ketone. That is 2 O. Here it is common name. One side methyl is there, propyl is there. M first or P first mean M1 first alphabetical order. Then it is called methyl, N propyl, N indicating normal chain, N propyl ketone. Next, for this we can write that it's isomer also. If C double bond can find it at the middle position, then it will be converted to CH3, CH2. This will be an interchange. C double bond CH2, CH3. Now, numbering left to right or right to left also gives an equal number to the ketone. It is called the third position. From here also it is third position. That's why anyone direction we do, there is no problem. This is third position. Same here also pentane 3O. Now already we studied in the alcohol chapter when position of that any functional group is changed, that is called positional isomer. Same number of carbon, same number of oxygen, same number of hydrogen. It is molecular from the same, but change in the position of the ketone group. Then these two are called positional isomer also. But also you know that metamers is there. For every bivalent functional group, alkyl group difference is there. That is called metamers. Here alkyl groups methyl and N propyl. Here ethyl is there. So these are also called metamers. If the question may ask, pentane 2 and pentane 3 ones are option A positional isomer, option B metamers, or tacomers, or none. If like this is given, then what is your answer? Here both we discuss positional isomer also, metamers also. When more than one options are correct, that is both are correct. Positional isomer also it is advanced level. Position also correct, metamers also correct. If single answer correct, then which one we have to choose? If option both given, position also given, metamers also given, and tacomers none is given, then which one have to choose? Now the confusion question. When more than one option correct is there, we can choose both. Not tacomers, because it can show tacomers later condition, but these two are not tacomers. Okay, so one single answer correct in that time, choose the metamer is a better answer than the positional isomer. For metamers we can use names, that time these names will come. Okay, so that is a good question for competitive exam. One time this question is asked in the competitive exam. That's why I am giving this question. Now its name diethyl ketone. Diethyl ketone. Next, one more carbon I will increase. Otherwise, this only I want to add somewhat different. Increase better, no problem. For example, CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH3, CH3. Like this, a different compound again. Now choose the longest carbon chain and get the least number to the ketone. Left to right, right to left will be same number will come. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second position, fourth position we have a methyl. That is called 2,4 dimethyl. Don't read the comma. It is not good because comma is just stop. 2,4 dimethyl. If you read the comma in hyphen also you have to write that time. That is not correct. Okay, so 2,4 dimethyl. Total 5 carbons are there. Then it is called pentane, E remove and write the position of ketone group. That is the third position. Then 3O. This is the IUPAC of this compound. If common name is both sides same to this, when both sides same is here, ethyl, ethyl, diethyl ketone. But what is the group name of this one? Both sides same is there. This group name what is it? Iso. But how many carbon? 3 carbon. Isopropyl. Then how many are there? 2. That is called diisopropyl. Diisopropyl ketone. Next, similarly, one more carbon will increase this side. CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. This is what you call secondary butyl. You may be studied in the first year. Methyl, ethyl, N-propyl, isopropyl, and butyl, isobutyl, and secondary butyl. Like this word. If you don't know, once again check how to write a structure. So this is secondary butyl. 4 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon bonded with any other. This bond. Okay. This carbon is secondary carbon. Total is secondary butyl. This is now bonded to keto group. Similarly here, the same group I am writing here. CH3, CH2, CH3. This is also secondary butyl. Like this, how many are there? Both sides are there. Its name now. Same it will give the left to right also, right to left also. Numbering will be same. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then third position, fifth position, we have the methyl group. That is called 3, 5, dimethyl, 3, 5, dimethyl. Total 7 carbons are there. Then it is called N, remove E, and at the position of keto group, there is the fourth position. 4 O. Now common name. How many groups are there? Like similar, 2 are. When similar group is there, we have to write di. Its name. Generally, when secondary is there, we have to write in ethylene. Like this. Secondary hyphen disecondary butyl. This is called secondary butyl. Like this, how many are there? 2. Then disecondary butyl ketone. When tertiary also is there, that time you have to write in ethylene. It means that letter should be in italic form. Like this. Secondary is there, that time also you have to write like this. Normal, yes, like this, don't write. Okay, that is the difference. But no one that much followed, but if you follow, that is good. Okay. Next, one more example. That is CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 5 carbon, no problem. Then it is aldehyde. Like this. Now, 2 functional groups are present. One is aldehyde functional group, another is a ketone functional group. When aldehyde and ketones are there, 2 functional groups, then we have to follow the priority order. Aldehyde gets the first credit, then the ketone. That's it. This is the first number, this is the second number, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth. Now, substrate name first, latter normal chain, and then main functional group. Where we have the functional group and the substrate third position. That is called 3-oxo. Oxo indicating here keto group. Then 3-oxo, total 5 carbon, then pen, A, remove E, and add Al. We are not indicating the aldehyde position because when aldehyde carbon counted, no need to indicate that. Okay, so oxo word is there that indicate the keto when along with it is present with the aldehyde. Keto group present when along with aldehyde, we have to write the oxo. Don't write the keto. Compared with the keto, oxo is a better word. Okay, common name will not write here. Now, CH, 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 3 double 1, 2 here, H not there, and C, H, C double bond O, CH. Here nothing but 2 H2 is there. Here oxygen, here 2 hydrogen. Water molecule last. This is nothing but again comes in the next order of catalytic reaction. What is order letter? You know that. So if you want to get the bigger double bond, its name. These are the two functional groups are there here. One is double bond, and another is ketone. Ketone you get the first value. Then here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the its ABC name? 4-methyl. 4-methyl. Total 5 carbons are there. Then it is called pentone. Don't get pentane because double bond also is there. Double bond. 4-methyl pent. Which position we have the double bond? Third position. E. Remove E. Actually, E and E is its complete name. Remove E and add the position of this ketone, that is second O. 4-methyl pen 3E 2O. Its common name also is there. Common name is mesithyl oxide. You have to remember this name very important because sometimes they may give, for example, like this question name. A gives rise to B, B gives rise to C. C is nothing but mesithyl oxide. For example, like this question may be given. C is the mesithyl oxide. Mesithyl oxide, you should know that it's formulas. So that time it is remembered. Because this much bigger than they will not write. So simply on mesithyl oxide they get that. So sometimes common names are preferable compared with the IUPAC. Next, we can go for like this cyclic compound. What is the name? We have to give the numbering. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3. Then its name is 3-methyl. 3-methyl cyclic group is cyclone. Total 5 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it is called pentane. Remove E and add position of this 1O. This is the IUPAC. What is the common name? Function next carbon alpha. Next carbon is known as beta. Then its common name is beta methyl. Beta methyl cyclo pentanone. Pentane number is not indicated here. It is pentanone type. If number indicated is that is IUPAC. Next, similarly, I am giving one homework for you. Same, but one carbon increase here. Double bond group. You can write a third position also, fourth position also. That is your choice. Same concept and write that it's IUPAC. Next. Like this may be given. Then what is the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second and third position we have the ketone. Then it is called butane. 1 and second. We can write here because E may be present here because more than one same function present. 1 second position, third position, di-O. Butane, second position, third position, ketone group is there, di-O. Next, one more. We know that this type of functional group, this is aromatic. All these are aliphatic. Now come to the aromatic part. When acyl group is bonded, rules already we discussed. Acyl group is bonded to the benzene ring, it is called phenol. Then acyl group as a prefix name followed by the phenol. This is acyl group followed by the phenol name. So this is called acetyl group. When common name, IUPAC name what is there? This is a functional group. That's a 1. This is a 2. First question we have phenyl. 1 phenyl. 1 phenyl. 2 carbons are there. Ethane 1O. On ethane also you can write. There are only 2 carbons are there. Okay. 1 phenyl, ethane 1O. This is IUPAC. Common name what I told? First acyl group as a prefix followed by the phenol. That is called Acetophenone. Common name. So somewhat down what I have written is the common name. First name is IUPAC. Now one more important is C double bond O CH2 CH3. Its IUPAC name. Number was here 1, here 2, here 3. First position we have the phenyl group. Substitute, this is substitute. There is one phenyl total 3 carbons are there. It is called propane. Remove E. First position only double bond with the C double bond 1 O. 1 phenyl propane 1 O. Common name what is that? First acyl group name followed by the phenol. What is the acyl group here? 3 carbon acyl. 3 carbon acyl group name what is that? Propio. So propiophenol. This is a common name. Common name I am writing in the brackets. Here. Now, one more compound. This is pH liquid phenyl group that is C6H5. Its IUPAC name. This is phenyl, this is also phenyl. Don't consider this is different. Both are same only. Otherwise, you can like this also. Two pages. Diphenyl. Diphenyl, 1 carbon. Methane. Remove E and add ONE. Diphenyl methanol, IUPAC name. Important is sometimes it's confusing, that's why you have to practice this name. And its common name. Acyl group followed by the phenol. This is a here acyl group. Acyl group having RC double bond O and it is bonded to which one? Aromatic. This medium you are doing. R medium methyl, propyl, or any group. That's why it is called benzophenol. This part is benzo. And next it is followed by phenol name. Benzophenol. 3 names you have to remember. One is estophenol, propiophenol, benzophenol. These are frequently used common names. We have to practice this. Next. Phenyl group, CH2, CH2, C double bond. Now, if you count the numbering 1, 2, 3, and which position we have this substituent? First position we have the phenyl group, third position we have the phenyl group. Now it is called 1,3-diphenyl, 1,3-diphenyl, propane, 2O. Second position we have the double bond. What is the common name we can take here? We know in that this is called benzyl. Maybe study like this also. Otherwise you can write like this. On benzene next carbon like this is called which group? Benzyl group. This is C6H1. This is CH2. C6H1, CH2. So this benzyl. How many benzyl groups are there? 2. That is called dibenzyl ketone. Dibenzyl ketone. Now, one more important like this. It's considered somewhat hypothetical compound also. Eggs are not that is like. Now, this is a carboxylic acid. This is ketone. This is aldehyde. When more than one functional group present, then we have to follow the periodic order. If we get the first periodic carboxylic acid, then there should be one remaining number 2, 3, 4 carbons. Now total how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. But now when it is functional group, the remaining one which is considered, it is substituent. What are the substituent position? Third and fourth position. That is called 3,4-dioxo. You may remember that in the last class I given what are the substituent name when it is aldehyde ketones or as a substituent. Aldehyde substituent name is a formula also. Keto substituent name is a keto or oxo. So better which one? Oxo. That's why I am writing it 3,4-dioxo. Total how many? 4. Butane. E remove. Add oleic acid. Butanoic acid. We cannot indicate the position of carboxylic acid because always it is terminal. Okay? But here aldehyde position is indicated. Aldehyde position is indicated. Now it is not functional group. When it is as a considered as functional group, that time we have not indicated. But here it is considered which one? Substituent. That's why here number indicated 3,4-dioxo butanoic acid. Next, one of the question here. Now, in this compound, keto substituent or oxo, aldehyde group name also oxo. Sometimes forming keto also used as a substituent name. But instead of using these two, this is preferable. That's why I wrote here dioxo. Forming keto generally will frequently used in the common names. This is generally used in the IUPAC preferable. Now, very important compound. Here, choose the longest carbon here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or here also 7. So, 1, 2, 3, here 4, here 5, here 6, here 7. This carbon chain is preferable. Here 8 also is there, but not preferable. Reason? A carbon, principal carbon chain should contain the more number of multiple bonds. It may be double or triple bond. That's why this is preferable. This is not preferable. This is preferable. Okay. Now the name. Which position we have?